Hi you guys, I'm back with another quick video. I know I keep saying quick video and some of these videos are really not quick. I just wanted to show you how I press and curl, well, I'm not going to curl it, just blow dry and press my daughter's hair. This is one of my girls. This is my middle daughter, and yeah, she has a lot of, well, you know what? All my girls have a lot of hair. Um, and my son probably will have a lot of hair too, but we twist it up, or he lets me twist it up. He stopped cutting it a little while ago. But yeah, for Jordan's hair, I normally just do a basic wash out and condition her hair, and then I put a lot of the products that I use on our hair, which is like a mixture of things. And oh my God, look at her bush. Yeah, and that was my youngest one running through. So I blow dried it, and first I put it in these knots. It makes it so much easier for me to blow dry it. And I normally, when I blow dry her hair, it looks like I'm like starting from the root, raking it all the way through into the hair, and I'm really not. I'm literally just smoothing the combs over the outer part of the hair to get it dry. And as I go along, I hold the hair, I keep it tight in my hand, and it kind of dries it out and it keeps it straight for me. And it allows me to do her hair without any tangles and stuff like that, because I'm telling you, my girls are the most tender-headed girls. Oh my God, it's horrible. And they're bigger and they're still tender-headed like they were babies. So I'm pretty much going to, yeah, look at that length. Now I'm going to press these edges out. Now, I am a fan of the Marcel irons and the straightening comb straight off the stove, you guys. I'm old school like that. And I personally feel if you want to get them edges in that kitchen, oh, you got to go in deep. You got to go in deep. And yeah, them ears, whew, you got to make sure you don't get them ears. Now you see how calm she is? She is so calm. You know why? Because she know mommy is not going to burn her. I've been doing this too long, folks, and I'm getting close up in that kitchen and around them ears, and she is not budging. You see that? Look at how smooth those edges are. Them bad boys look like they got a perm on there. Okay, so now I am getting back in her little cornfield maze back here, and she's not flinching. I know a lot of people go, "Ooh, I can remember when I used to get burnt." Well, I'm not burning nobody, especially my baby. So yeah, but you got to get close, and you got to practice in order to be able to do this, because you can really burn somebody. So be careful if you try this method. So I'm pretty much just using this method to get around her edges, and I might go inside a little bit, but I'm not going to show all that on this video. I just want to pretty much get her edges together for the video, to have it looking nice and smooth. And once we do that, we're going to go over and flat iron it with the plug-in flat irons. Yeah, look at that hair, you guys. I'm telling you, this is a process. It normally takes me forever to do my daughter's hair. And I try to do one in that day and not do all of them in the same day. But sometimes they're like, I want my hair done the same day. So I end up having to do them all. But for the most part now, I'm going to use my plug-in flat irons. And I'm going to flat iron her hair, people, which is going to give it a nice, smooth, silky look. And then we will be done. So yeah, continue to watch the video, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. And guess what? Another letter, people, and it is the letter V. V as in volume, V as in vigorous. It's the letter V. That's right. Your letter for this video is V. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're writing down those letters, because soon we'll be getting to the last letter of the videos, and I hope you guys have watched them all, enjoyed them all, and wrote everything down you need to write down, because the contest is coming, and it is coming soon, people. So thank you very much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and most of all, turn on those post notifications so you'll stay updated to the new videos that will come. Thank you. Bye-bye.